How to remove tokens from your wallet on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove tokens from your wallet on Metamask in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask here, and now as you can see I have two tokens here, Ethereum and TKN. Now if you want to remove one of those, you have just to click on it like this and you will have the option of remove, and you can remove it as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video guys.